let's go into our first pitch. Maybe you've heard about crypto, maybe you've heard about NFTs, and so on and so on. What are these products? How do they work? What is all of that stuff? I personally don't know it too much, but I know that one group thought about it a bit more. One of the groups is very, very curious. They have been actively investing, I think you can say it that way as well, right? Yeah. And had a very, very specific problem that they are now solving. So please welcome SGMI. Please welcome Mahmoud and Raza.
Thanks, Ian. Hi, and good afternoon, everyone. So here we are at the last day of our bootcamp after going through this amazing experience, an intense 9 weeks. And today we are here to put forward the most important question every person investing in NFTs is confronted with. So, for example, was it like a good investment or a bad investment? And you may already have known, but NFTs, so non-fungible tokens, are at the moment the most hyped digital asset with a huge potential in both technical and financial application fields. So unfortunately, for a person investing in NFTs, there are no efficient means at the moment for such an investor to be able to know if they are losing money or making money through their investment in NFTs. And as a team, we recognize this, and we came up with a tool to solve this problem. I'm going to show you the tool in a moment, and let me say this, that the utility of our tool called SGMI is to give you a direct and a quick overview with accurate figures about your investment in NFTs. So it will let you know how your performance of your wallet is going. So let me present it to you now. And for those of you who do not know anything about NFTs or Web3 space and stuff like that, we created a whole introduction section where you explain this stuff. So for example, what is an NFT? And what is a wallet? So the place where you're holding your NFTs. And also, what's Solana? So what is a blockchain? Or what is a crypto coin? So here, on the left side, I can see the popular collections on a marketplace which is called Magic Eden. Magic Eden is the biggest secondary market for trading Solana NFTs right now. And I could take a look at the popular collections, for example, OK Bears, which is the most popular right now, and directly see the most important information about that collection. So for example, the supply. The supply is the number of NFTs that have been created for that specific collection. So in this case, for example, 10,000. And the listings tells me how many NFTs from that collection are listed for sale on Magic Eden right now. Then I can see the floor price. So what's the floor price? The floor price is basically the lowest price that you can buy or sell an NFT from that collection for. Let's take an example. Let's say I bought an OK Bear 2 weeks ago for 5 Solana, and if I want to sell that NFT right now, then I could sell it for at least 106 Solana. So I will be making a profit of 101 Solana after 2 weeks. Then I can take a look at the volume. So the volume is actually showing me how much Solana has been traded through the transactions of buying and selling the NFTs of that collection. What I can also see are the upcoming drops. So which NFT collections are going to be launched soon on Magic Eden. So for example, the Snuggle Squad or Zen Fighters, etc. And I can directly see the most important information. So for example, the mint price, which is the cheapest price you can get that NFT collection at the beginning for. I can also take a look at the most popular collections today. For example, Just Ape, they minted or launched 3 days ago, and I can already see that they reach a high volume of over 100K in a couple of days, and they have a very stable and high floor price. And that's very important for me as an investor in this space to be able to make a good decision of whether or not investing in that collection. I already connected my wallet to SGMI, so now let me show you a real-time performance of my own wallet with my own NFTs. At the left, I can directly see the wallet performance, and I can see that I'm in the green zone, which means that I'm basically making money. So if I sell each NFT that I have in my wallet right now, I would be making a profit of 28.14 Solana, which equals right now $1,170 US. But I have to keep in mind as an investor that Solana is also a crypto coin, so it's volatile. It goes up and down. It's very analogical to stock market. Here I can also see my best performing NFTs. So for example, if I take Rarikey, I can see that I bought it a couple of weeks ago for 2.6 Solana. And if I sell it right now, I will be making a profit of 13 Solana. I can also see the highest floor price collections on the right. And if I'm interested in seeing or looking at other collections where I want to track their performance over time in the future, then I can add them to my watch list. So for example, I would like to look for Blocksmith or bears or jelly beasts or wherever. And I can add them to my watch list. And based on the most important information that I just shown you, I can make a decision if I want to invest in that collection in the future, after making my own research, of course. The tool doesn't only show you the best performing NFTs, but rather also the whole NFTs, all of the NFTs that you're holding in your wallet. So the good performing ones and the bad performing ones. So you can take a look at all of them. And let's say I'm interested in looking for another NFT collection that I didn't find on the first page or in my wallet directly. So I would search for it. Let's say, for example, DGods, which is one of the most famous right now. And I can see more information about it directly. So a description of what is that NFT collection about. And I can also take a look at their Twitter account and their Discord, which are the most important social media channels in NFT space right now. I can also add it to my watch list, so I can keep track of its performance in the future as well. So thanks to SGMI and the amazing work that our team put into this, composed of Raisa, Alex, and Spiros, I am now able as an NFT investor to track my performance and to make better decisions in the future. Thank you all for your attention, and please ask any questions if you have any.